In today's video, I'll show you how to use Slack lists to stay organized and burst team collaboration. Start by opening Slack either on the desktop app or directly in your browser and log into your workspace. Once inside, look at the left-hand menu and click More. From here, select Lists. To create a list, choose New List. You can start with a blank list or pick from ready-had templates. Templates are great if you want a standardized setup for your team. Give your list a clear title, then customize the view by selecting Edit View to adjust how tasks are displayed. Now start adding tasks. For each task, assign it to the right team member and set a due date so deadlines stay on track. Collaboration is simple. Just share the list with your teammates so everyone stays updated in real time. And if you no longer need a list, use the ellipsis menu to delete it and keep your workspace clutter-free. And that's it. You now know how to create, customize, and share lists in Slack. A powerful way to keep your projects running smoothly. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Slack tutorials.